Hey, what's up, guys? Average Jeepers here. We just pulled up to the junkyard. About to go get me a steering column.
Yeah, look at that thing.
What? Oh, yeah, that thing.
I think that thing went up quick.
Surprised they haven't crushed that one yet. Probably still some good parts on it.
Probably the last thing a lot of little children have seen.
I hope it's still where it was last time.
So you know where we're going?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Last time it was just sitting like it was on one of the outside aisles, like right here. It's kind of surrounded by trees, but...
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, sweet. Look at her. Looking good.
Oh, the fucking steering column is good.
Look at that. Even with no wheel and all busted up, they're still trying to find a mud hole.
Oh, that steering column looks nice. Yeah, they got manual doors.
Oh, shit.
Wiggle that steering wheel.
Oh,
Yes!
yeah. Look at that
You
bitch.
get it?
Hell no.
Damn.
No key.
Damn, I was hoping the key would be in it.
Is this the only one they got?
Yeah. It's the only one that's my year.
Alright, well, how hard is it to swap the ignition? Can't be that hard. It's hard?
Yeah, you very much have to take everything fucking apart.
Oh, shit.
But one that's in good shape, dude, this steering column looks like it's in really
How hard
good
could it be to
shape.
break that ignition when it just turns?
Drill it out.
Winston, you got your key on you?
Yeah. Hey, pop the hood. Pop the hood.
No, it's piece of shit.
This is when I came out here and got the headlight bezels off of. I was gonna take this, but it broke. It don't look like nobody's touched this Jeep since I was here last.
Couldn't imagine why.
Ow! Oh, that hurt.
Can't keep letting it work.
I've tried it on a few Jeeps. I had a CRX key back in the day that would start like 5 different cars. We're not gonna be able to turn. We're not gonna be able to turn it with that bolt. Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, steering wheel's sticky as fuck. Where's the bolt at? Actually a good airbox right here. See, I was gonna grab you the washer thing out of this one. I was hoping it was gonna be over here, but this one's set up like Brett's truck. Might just remove this airbox real quick. You started filming yet?
Yeah, I've been filming since we...
I've had the camera out.
Yeah. Alright, step 1, remove your airbox.
Hard to do on ours because we have this in here in case I need to come back for it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that always hide parts so you can come back and get them.
Dude, look how nice this air console is on this thing. I mean, it's tin, but that thing's in good shape.
Oh yeah. Too bad it's two-wheel drive. Oh, it's still a little sticky.
I'll tell you what, if this thing would have had the 5 and 60 windows, I'd have been taking these doors.
Yeah.
If it would have had them, oh yeah, that's going to be a lot easier to get to. It's upside down. Let's see if I can turn that wheel.
Alright, turn the wheel. It's turning.
You know, you can get to that bolt.
You already passed it.
Oh, okay. Well, the
Spin
lock
it. Spin it back.
The lock doesn't work.
Right there. Yeah, that bitch is right. It's fucking.
You want me to talk to the camera?
Sure, go ahead.
Alright, so today we're going to remove the steering column because mine is broke out here at the junkyard. We're going to start by removing this right here. I thought you said I was at it. I went way past it, guys. You know it's facing up.
That's up. You passed it again. Mine still ain't.
Oh yeah, turn it back to the right.
Here, tell me. I'm just gonna hold it because it keeps rolling back when you let go.
Turn it back to the left some. That's good. Right there. Somebody's got a steering gearbox that leaks. Ooh, I was about to use that nasty ass rag. Alright, so you take that bolt out, and then in here you got a couple more things you're going to have to take out. Oh god. Oh yeah, that's wet. That's awesome. So you got two bolts that are right here. I'll get to those. I gotta have to pull this thing first so you can get to them. Almost should have brought a drill, huh?
What a badass gauge cluster.
Oh snap! 254,000 miles.
Still sitting. Those are highway miles.
Highway miles.
All of
Yeah.
them.
All highway.
Yeah, lived right on the interstate. Worked on the other side of the
So
interstate.
glad this seat is nice and wet. It's actually in pretty good shape.
Oh, my bad.
This thing got all the screws in it?
That junkyard, John. Rip that shit down.
You gotta get the middle frame piece off. And so once you get this out of the way, if you want to look, you have two bolts right here. You're going to have two bolts right here, one on this side, one on that side. We're going to go ahead and remove those. And if you look down here, you're going to have two bolts. You're going to have two bolts down here. Your screen went black.
Still filming.
Okay. You're going to have two bolts around the steering column. I think one's going to be up high. Actually, you probably can't see this crap here. There you go. One's going to be up high and one's going to be down low. And then you'll have all your wires to disconnect. And once that's disconnected, we just snatch this thing out. This is going to be so nice. It's going to fix all my windshield wipers, my brights, everything. Need to get that key situated. Hit me my socket with a 15. That's the 15, you got the ratchet? This thing still has the original tape deck in it, does? Oh, did I get the camera?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's all good.
I didn't break it, did I?
Yeah.
This junkyard's so much better than pick and pull.
How much is this?
40 bucks.
Oh, sweet.
And we didn't have to pay to get in here. Oh God, look at the ashtray.
I saw it.
That's why it's not just screwing off.
You need me to hold it?
Yeah, push up on that if you can. You know, you can edit through some of this. Oh yeah. Mucho bettero. Alright, let it down. Well, it doesn't fall, does it? That's fine, that's fine. Alright, let me get that long extension with the and now we're going to get the two against the firewall. Shit on me.
Mosquito.
You know there's a West Nile in Leon County?
That's all I heard about that.
Yeah, dude, they're all over the place in here.
Yeah, they're all over.
That bolt out. Alright. Once those are all out, you can see right here, it's got this frame bar. Goes over here for the body. Just bend that out of the way and pull it down. Pretty much just like this.
Hold on, I should have got you doing that. Oh, I did get you doing that. Cool.
Alright. We'll disconnect everything and That's this bad boy out. Right here you got, if yours is an automatic, which this one is and as is mine, you got this clip right here that works your gear shifter. You got to get this out. You'll hand me the flathead screwdriver. Just gonna pry that out down there. And then from there, we'll just unplug all the plugs, and we will snatch this bad boy out.
Snatch it out.
Ow. Got me. I know there's two on the other side. This one right here is what does your wipers. Make sure you... I need this part, so I'm going to take this with the column. And get down here. These do all your brights and your ignition and all that good stuff. That's not even This one's a pain in the ass.
Mosquitoes right here, freaking crazy.
There they are. There's nothing nice about these clips right here. There's one. That's everything. Okay, we'll go well. And there you go, folks. How to remove a steering column out of I think these